Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a backup key pair to our Amazon EC2 instance. So this will be a crucial step to ensure that we don't get locked out of our server. So why we need to have the backup key pair to the Amazon EC2 instance is that it's like, take an example, having a backup key pair is like having a spare key to our house. It's something that you might not need every day, but you do. It can save a lot of trouble, right? So in this video, we are going to check about how we can create a new key pair, how we can add this new key pair to the EC2 instance, and how we can, instead of using the previous one, how we can connect to the EC2 instance with a new key pair. So let's get started. In the last video, I had already mentioned you about how we can connect to the EC2 instance in the multiple ways. So if you haven't watched that video, you can please go ahead and watch it. You will find it onto my same channel. So to add the backup key pair, first of all, you need to connect to the EC2 instance. So to connect to the EC2 instance, you will see I'm already connected to the EC2 instance. Okay, so let us create a key pair. So this key pair we will be using. Previously we had already one key pair is there. Now what I will do, I will create a new key pair. I'll give the name as backup. Okay, I'll use the key pair format, it's same as it is. I'll create a new key pair. So uploaded this key pair into my folder. So the next step is to get SSH into your EC2 instance. Now if you see here, I am able to get SSH into the EC2 instance that I have created. Here what you can do, you can check whether there is a command ls-la. So you'll see, you'll find the .ssh folder. Inside that folder they will see the authorized keys. So you will have to open that authorized keys. Okay, before that what you need to do is that, so I have downloaded my key pair file. Now the next step is to, once you download this key pair file, what you will have to do is that you will have to generate the public key from the new PEM file. So to generate it, you can use this command ssh-keygen -y-f, and you can provide the PEM key file. Now you will have to copy this ssh RSA content. You will have to log in EC2 instance. Once you log in, you will have to open the .ssh authorized keys, and here you will have to add the new SF that we have generated. Okay, once you added it, you will have to save it, exit it. Now connection has been closed. Now what I will do, I will try to log in with the backup PEM file EC2. So it is saying that it is not accessible by others. I will have to use the sudo yes. Now if you see here, I'm able to log in with the backup PEM file. So this is how we can add the backup PEM file, guys. So in this video, what we had checked about is that we have created a new key pair file. We have extracted the public key from the new key PEM file by use of this command ssh-keygen. I will add this command into the description. Then after that, we have added the new key pair into the authorized keys. Okay, and once pair has been added, we had used the new key pair to test the setup, and we were able to SSH into the EC2 instance. So this was all about how we can use the backup key pair to connect to the EC2 instance, guys. So keep learning, keep going, be a cloud Premi always. Thank you.